Hello everybody and welcome back to International Marketing Planning presentation. Now, I was going to move on now to the operational planning, which should have been the second section, but it doesn't matter. But I will explain all the steps and the full operational plan, and then after that it will be contingency plan. And then I'll show what the marketing development is and outline its objectives and marketing goals. Let's go on. I'm going to click on the next slide and then go to the slideshow tab and then click from current slide. So here is what your operational planning is. Operational planning sits at the bottom of the totem pole. They are the plans that are made by frontline or low-level managers. All operational plans are focused on the specific procedures and processes that occur within the lowest levels of the organization. Managers must plan the routine tasks of the department using a high level of detail. Frank, he is a frontline manager and he works at Nino's Pizzeria. He's responsible for the operational planning. Operational planning activities for Frank will include things like scheduling employees each week, assessing, ordering, and stocking inventory, creating a monthly budget, developing a promotional advertisement for the quarter to increase the sales of a certain product, such as the Hawaiian pizza, or outline an employee's performance goals for the year. Operational plans can be either single-use or ongoing plans. Single-use plans are those plans that are intended to be only used once. They include activities that will not be repeated and often have expiration. Creating a monthly budget and developing a promotional advertisement for the quarter to increase the sales of a product are examples of how Frank will utilize single-use planning. And there's more about operational planning in this next slide. Operational planning. So, the ongoing plans are those plans that are built to withstand the test of time. They are created with the intent to be used several times and undergo changes when necessary. One outlining an employee's performance goals for the year would be considered an ongoing plan that Frank must develop, assess and update if necessary. Ongoing plans are typically a policy, procedure or rule. Policies are general statements or guidelines that aid a manager in understanding routine responsibilities of his or her role as a manager. Examples of policies include things such as hiring, the training, outlining and assessing performance appraisals, and disciplining and terminating subordinates. A procedure details the step-by-step process of carrying out a certain task, such as assessing, ordering, and stocking inventory. A rule provides managers and employees with specific and explicit guidelines of behaviour that is what they should and should not do as a member of the organisation. So that's the end of operational planning. So here we come to the fourth and last type of the planning. This is called contingency planning. Even the best plans can fail, especially in today's fast-paced, chaotic business environment, and as such, it is important for managers at all levels to engage in contingency planning. Contingency plans allow a manager to be flexible and change savvy by providing an alternative course of action which can be implemented if and when the original plan fails to produce the anticipated results. Having a contingency plan might seem like extra work, but much like a reserve parachute when skydiving, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. This is a bit more of the organising. So organising. So it is the process of bringing together physical, financial, and human resources and developing productive relationship amongst them for achievement of organizational goals. According to Henry Fayol, to organize a business is to provide it with everything useful or its functioning: raw material, tools, capital, and personnels. To organize a business involves determining and providing human and non-human resources to the organizational structure. Organizing as a process involves with identification of activities, classification of grouping of activities, assignment of duties, delegation of authority, and creation of responsibility and coordinating authority and responsibility relationships. So this is the international marketing planning process. Number 1 is the analysis, situation analysis, including the industry analysis, market analysis, competitive analysis, and internal analysis. The second planning process is the SWOT analysis, which stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and that's the external scanning. Number 3 of the planning process is to set objective goals, and the last one of number 4 is to identify the strategies and tactics to meet its objectives and its goals. Okay, this is coming into our last slide. So this is the last slide, number 14. It's just basically the types of marketing development. So there's a 5-step here: assign responsibility and accountability for completed tactics, then develop and budget for implementation, and the last one is ongoing monitoring and adjustments. And that's it. Before I close this video off and finish off this video of the presentation, I'll check its slides and review it. This has been very interesting so far. International marketing I'm doing and learning in college has been very interesting. All about the marketing products that have been sent and developed, processed through other countries. Like cereals. Cereals are very popular in America and India. Coca-Cola is very popular as well. So is Pepsi, so is Fanta, Club Orange, 7-Up. Okay, that was it. So thank you all for watching this. Hope you enjoyed this presentation so far. It has been enjoyable for me, and I really enjoyed sharing this with you. It has been very interesting. I love doing international marketing. I have to do an assignment instead of an exam because now the exams are officially cancelled thanks to this coronavirus that's going on. But I'll now close this off, so enjoy your day, everybody, and thank you all for watching this, and good luck to all of you in the future. See you all very soon. Adios.